The next piece of music that we'll be going over is from the Alfred lesson book, Level 1 Complete, pages 12 and 13. Pages 12 and 13 deal with the staff and the bass staff. Notice in the middle of page 12, it says the bass staff. It is showing us the F on the bass staff that is located right here on the piano. I'm going to put this finger on that note, which is my finger number 2. Notice today I have a Band-Aid on it. And then the thumb will go here on a G. 3 finger, which is their 3rd finger, goes here on the E. 4 finger goes here on the D, and 5 finger. So it goes fingers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Those are your 5 notes for this piece. Okay, let's get started with the song at the very bottom called F Same Still the Same. And it sounds something like this. This time when I play it, I'm going to say the note names out loud as I play them. F, 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 E, D, C, D, E, F. All right? Now there's another way we should play this. One of them is to count out loud while we're playing the song. So if I count in 4, it's going to sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next piece of music I'm going to play is on the same lesson book on page 13. The song is called Rain, Rain, and actually the song is very similar to the one we just played. So I'm going to get my left hand in position, and I'm going to play Rain, Rain, page 13. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. To challenge yourself, here's a couple of other ideas for you. Practice the song while you count out loud. I'm going to play the first line that way for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play the whole song and name my notes while I play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 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 E, D, C, D, E, F, 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 E, D, C, D, E, F.